Hey everyone! Are you tired of exceeding your mobile data limit and getting extra charges? In this video, I'll show you how to set data limits on your Android device, restrict background data, and save money on your mobile bill. Let's dive in. First, let's set a data limit so you can control how much data your phone uses. Open the Settings app, Mobile Data or Network and the Internet, depending on your phone. Tap on Data Usage. Scroll down and Set Data Limit. Turn on Set Data Limit, then enter the maximum data you want to use for the daily or month. Also, you can enable alarm data usage. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can easily manage your data usage and avoid unnecessary costs. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you in the next video.